Today we're going to make seafood pasta with spaghetti squash, 2 lobster tails, 4 scallops, some cherry tomatoes, and a white sauce. I used this one. Tuscan herb alfredo with wine. First you cut the spaghetti squash in halves and scoop out the seeds and this fibrous part. Once cleaned, your spaghetti squash should look like this. There should be no seeds or any of the fibers. Then place your spaghetti squash in a microwave safe plate and put like about half an inch of water on the bottom in a microwave for about 8 minutes. While your spaghetti squash is cooking in the microwave, put a tablespoon of olive oil on your scallops. Splash of soy sauce. A little bit of Old Bay seasoning. And a splash of balsamic vinegar. And toss. As you can see, these are frozen scallops. Place your scallops in your air fryer basket, like such. And set your air fryer to 8 minutes at 380 degrees. After your scallops are done, flip them. And drizzle your remaining marinade on top of them. And then set your air fryer at 6 minutes for 390 degrees. While your scallop is cooking, you want to cut open and clean your lobster tails. Since you're going to be putting in the pasta, it doesn't really matter if you keep the shell. You can break off. And make sure you take out the vein. Your lobsters should look like this once you've cut and cleaned them. Place your lobster tails in your air fryer basket like such. And cook at 360 degrees for 7 minutes. After 8 minutes, your spaghetti squash should be fork tender, and you should be able to just scrape it and get your noodles. If it's not coming out like this, just microwave it for another 2 minutes or so. and fluff it up and you have noodles. Once the spaghetti squash is fluffed up, drizzle a little bit of olive oil on both of them. And add some salt and pepper. After your first cook of the lobsters, you want to take them out of the shell. Once you take out the shell, your lobster tails should look like this. Cut them into a third pieces, like about the size of your scallops. And heat up your pan and pour in half of your sauce. Put in your cherry tomatoes. And heat on high until your sauce starts to simmer. Now the sauce is starting to simmer, lower your heat to medium. And then add in your spaghetti squash. And add in your scallops and lobster. Stir in the sauce. And here's your final product, your seafood pasta with lobster, scallops, and tomatoes. Enjoy.